What if you could instantly trade with premium support, lower fees, and premium benefits? Here's how. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of Bybit. Link to this will be in the description of the video. Now, Bybit's VIP program is built for elite traders who are expecting priority support, lower fees, exclusive access, and premium rewards. So it is designed to enhance the trading experience, and the Bybit VIP is actually ensuring that high volume traders receive unparalleled benefits from day one that they joined Bybit. Now, with 24/7 VIP priority support, guys, members no longer have to deal with bots or long wait times. And what they can expect is a dedicated VIP ambassador that provides instantaneous, personalized assistance, which ensures a smooth and hassle-free experience at all time that they are with Bybit. And that is something that I would really love, because again, you would want to make profits out of your trades. Yes, that is your top priority. But if you could get more out of that, like if you could get like a VIP status wherein you feel that you are prestigious and you feel that you are valued by the exchange or by the company that you are trading on, then that says something else, right? I mean, it's top-notch, something that you would really love to have, I'm sure, just like me. So beyond the savings, guys, VIP members could gain exclusive prestige with the Bybit VIP metal card. So more than just the status symbol, this card grants priority access to premium features. You have elite network opportunities and special event invitations. So it reinforces Bybit's commitment to rewarding its top traders. Now, this reward doesn't stop there, guys. There's more. Bybit VIPs also enjoy higher returns across multiple products. They receive boosted APYs on wealth management, and they also get larger token allocations in launch pool opportunities. I would love that, guys. If you're going to be asking me, what are the things or what are the features that you like about Bybit? Launch pool is definitely one of the top things, which also include Bybit Earn. Those are my top twos, right? I love to participate in launch pools. I also love to check out, new projects that get listed in Bybit, because those poses really good opportunities to get invested. Of course, always do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, because it doesn't mean that when a project gets launched in a centralized exchange that it's going to be rocket launching all the way to the top, right? So it depends. I mean, there are a lot of different things that you need to consider, but having that access to those projects that gets listed in Bybit, it is one thing that you need to capitalize and take advantage of. So with Bybit VIPs, traders don't just save, guys. They gain access to a world of priority services, exclusive benefits, and top-tier rewards. So there are VIP perks, lower fees, and effortless upgrades. So you got to go ahead and check that one out, guys. Upgrade your trading experience with Bybit today. You do not have to wait tomorrow, next week, or next month. If you are a real trader, if you are doing trades for a living, take advantage of that, because you could get more out of your trades than just being a normal trader that, just does this for, extra and all that. Now this is their announcement, guys, for the Bybit VIP program. All the benefits that you need to know, you got to go ahead and check this one out. Head to this page. The link to this will be in the description of the video as well. This is actually a very good read. All the things that you need to know about the program is here. So read through this one, do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. You would know what are the perks. You would know what are the rewards. And you would know everything, the ins and the outs. The VIP trading program is really going to be helpful for you to get more out of all your trades with Bybit. Now, you have lower fees and interest, you have industry insight reports, you have priority access to customer support, and more. All of it are here already. So go ahead and check them out, guys. Do not miss that opportunity out because, again, you do not have to pay anything extra. You just have to let them know that you are a high volume trader, you do trading for a living, and you will get those perks already. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.